How to share chart layouts in TradingView. Start by opening the TradingView platform. Once you're logged in, find the chart layout that you want to share. This could be a chart you've been working on or analyzing. Look at the top of your chart. You'll see a bar with various options and information, including the chart title. Next to the chart title, you'll see a small arrow. Click on it. This will open up a menu with more options. In the menu that pops up, make sure that sharing is toggled on. If it's not, click on it to toggle it on. This allows you to share your chart with others. After ensuring sharing is turned on, click on the Copy Link option in the same menu. This will copy a unique URL link to your chart. Now that you've copied the link, you can share it with anyone you want to view your chart. You can send it through email, messaging apps, or any other way you communicate with them. When someone receives the link, they'll be able to click on it and view your chart. They can see all the details and analysis you've done, but they won't be able to make changes to it. If the recipient wants to edit the chart layout or save it for themselves, they can click on the copy icon in the top right-hand corner of the chart. This will create a copy of the chart in their own TradingView account, which they can then modify or save as needed. And that's it. Sharing chart layouts in TradingView is that simple. Now you can easily collaborate and share your trading strategies with others. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more TradingView tips and tricks.